welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to restore my headlight. So as you can see, the headlight is really bad. It's pretty oxidized. So I'm planning to kind of bring this back and making it look a little bit better. Same thing on the passenger side headlight. It's really heavily oxidized and just does not look good. So hopefully by restoring the headlight, we will complete the look of the car. The product I'm going to be using today is by Cerakote, and then I bought some extra sandpaper just because I need to level out the headlight. There's a lot of high spot and low spot, so I'm going to use 320 grit, 800, 1500, and 2000. Hopefully that will even out the surface. And then they also include a ceramic wipe that will kind of seal it up. The reason why I chose this kit is because I have used it before on my Ridgeline, and it turns out pretty great. So this is the headlight for my Ridgeline, and I restored this since last year, and it's still holding up pretty well. So that's the reason why I went with the Cerakote kit. So hopefully we get the same result on the S2000. So I just got done using 320 grit sandpaper to get all the high spot and level the surface out. Next I'm going to use 800 grit sandpaper and wet sand. Okay, so I just finished wet sanding using 800 grit. Next up is going to be 1500 grit and then 2000 grit. I'm done with wet sanding the headlight. There's a lot of haze, so now I'm just going to let it dry. So it's the next day. Last night it started raining, so I had to stop what I was doing. But I got the sanding part done. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use some compound polish and just kind of run it over one more time before we apply the ceramic coat. So I'm going to use the Meguiar Ultimate Compound to kind of just get rid of this haze. Looks so good already after the polishing compound. It's really smooth. You can see it pretty clearly now. So we're going to apply the ceramic coat as a protected layer, and hopefully that will make it look 10 times better, but it looks so good already. So they recommend not to dry the car for an hour to let the ceramic coat kind of cure and dry it up. So what I'm going to do now is just kind of let it sit here for a while, and then I'll come back later just to kind of see the end result. But dang, it looked brand new. Alright, so it has been more than 24 hours now. I want to give it additional time for the ceramic coat to have time to fully cure, and I think end result looks super good. So I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after the ceramic coat has time to cure. Super clear. I mean, there's absolutely no oxidation, hazing, or whatsoever. It looked like brand new.